people, my people.
So the fact that we're also in the same industry, and then we relate with these people, we know, as he knows, that most of them, Baba, now just film then they do.
My people, my people, my people, my celebrity. Hey, Bibi Naija. Hey, my people. This one, it break my heart too. I just said me I bring and come on table, my beautiful people, my Naija people. This our brother, our uncle, Nedu. Yes, Nedu. When they say nothing Musa no go see for gate, oh, he don't break the table. Oh. If you dey there, my purpose of bringing this video, I go leave am make you watch your own. May you take your own sense, may you use your own sense, take calculate. Never you ever, mostly all those celebrity, all those social media influencer, never you say, hey, it's good to say I want to be like them. But never you go and kill yourself because of another man rich, or another man success, or another man blessing. I beg, because you don't really know how people make it in this world, in this life. As our prophet, my prophet TB Joshua go say, this world is not my own. Some people don't say this world is not their own. We come here to trade and we go back to where we come from. Remember on your last day, what do you tell your creator? When you go live life, when you go they do something, you say nobody they see you. Remember God they see you. But this our brother now they do, I think they see a lot. If they tell una say, me una not ever. He said many of those our people, now man when get cassava for front, he said that they break am for where the other side for they come out. I don't want to come. I be now woman. He say one pexi for inside. Now here for him out. He say one pexi for inside. He said honorary call when they call her. Now 3 million they give her. He said before they give her woto, they give her 15 million. Yes, no be me. 15 million. 15, my people. This one chatalize me, oh. I just bring and come out to encourage any of us when they say one day, I want to buy how much you want to buy this. My people, be yourself. One day God will hear our prayer. Never you look anybody because you don't know his source of income. You don't know how they bring the money come outside. At least our brother now, he don't expose them. He exposed them. Say he not get right to mention it, but one for inside, he know they do come out. But one for inside, he go do the one that they na cassava for the other side though. He say one they do come outside, one no they do come outside, one they do and coded. But if some of our brothers, some of our sister, or some of our anybody go say you know they see and no be the same social media when you dey. Now this person they not say they make why which one be your own? Where you dey? My people, tell that your papa, tell that your mama, tell that your brother, say that person name and your name no be the same. Now wait till you go tell that person, you not let anybody push you. Those people that they give 15 million, you know wait till that person want collect for your body. Man go just say because he want go down with you. After he talk to you 3 million. Then after he talk to you, he go give you 50. Maybe now they collect sense so. Because I remember one story when they said those our superstar, those God forgive me, I don't want to pronounce her. He said they get the money with the other side. They need all those our star. No, now be careful. They go use money. No, now be careful. No, my mouth now for here and more. And if you give birth to your child, always advise that child. Always give her that your advice. Say, not all that is greater, that is gold. My son, my daughter, make it there is God. Always let your children put God in first. May they not ever look another person you that will say they want to be like that. No, be your own. Be who you be. One day you will get there. Yes, now wait till I see you. Always encourage your brother, your sister, your children. Let them know, say, this word now touch and live. Anything you get for this word, you go live her. You know, carry on, go heaven. Because if you take life like that easily, I believe say what they think. I believe say all those kind of things. How big Nigeria they will pay that girl, that Pepsi, how many million? Just to hear for her. Just to, you as a girl, you don't consider and say, which kind of money be this? Me una collect sense so. Me una beg. Me una know they spoil our small girls, our small boys. Then so can't go inside Yahoo because they want to see that Instagram, that big. I don't know what they talk, my people, because they do voice over. They love to sit down, talk, concentrate. They comfortable to give them woto. This one shortalize me. Oh, I say me I bring and come on a table, my people. What do you think about it? I can't wait for me to hear on our own opinion. I go leave una, make una enjoy the video, make it not too long for una.
In the same industry, and then we relate with these people. We know, as he knows, that most of them, Baba, now just film then they do. And chairman have worked in once on some of your influencers and celebrities. Two of them, I don't tell you this thing personally. I walked in with two of them having a threesome with somebody that I know. Yes, I said it. I've walked in with two of your favorite influencers and celebrities.
Female or male?
Female.
Okay.
In Transcorp Hilton, Abuja, the famous hotel. Both of them did that because the guy, they wiped two of them. Now, the thing is, I'm not going to mention their name because they saw me and they expect me to respect them, and I respect them enough not to mention their names. But the truth is, the person that put them there is my friend. I not even know, you know the person. I not even know, say the person put them there. This same person don't be, organic, need to have fun now. Give me this guy who go Big Brother. Oh, Jesus, I shouldn't have mentioned that. Well, I don't talk him anyway. Fuck it. Give me this guy go Big Brother.
Okay.
Make I just talk to her. He gave her 3 million.
To just talk to her?
Just to talk to her. 3 million.
You never see pint.
He never see pint.
That's a smart lady, right?
She was in Lagos. He's in Abuja. No, my guy he's a giver. 3 million he dropped. The day he wiped that girl, he gave her almost $15,000.
And that's the pressure you now create
So, you understand? That kind of pressure won't complete for that. So, she knows what she's doing to get money. Are you going to tell me that other people now go see that girl now? Say, man, this girl, I want to hustle like that. They'll come, they hustle, cause they know they get that thing where then they get. So, what think? But it gets some people where be say, bruh, I don't want to call names. One, now 8 million in they collect. If they do nyash, he's fruity. He's a guy. He's fruity. Each time they wipe him, they give him 8 million. Now, the other one, he's fruity. Each time they wipe him, they give him 15 million. This one, I'm talking from fact. I know. Now, I don't want to mention their names. Those that know. Now, these guys, one of them is smart enough not to show himself what he's got too much. The other one is not that smart. He shows, I did this, I bought this house, I've got this car, I bought this house for my...
I hope now don't hear about myself. Now $50,000. Now he talk no be million. I make mistake for there. I hope now enjoy watching. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Tell me what you think about this video. Okay? Yes, now $10,000. Now I say that they give if they nyasha. No be I will draw my word. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye now. This one I get.